everyone, welcome to Wilson in the Family Kitchen. Today we are in the Rossi kitchen. Today we are making Chex Mix. These are the ingredients, as you can see. Today I will be getting instructions from Kerri Rossi edition. This is Chex cereal.
That's 5.
3 more.
7.
1 more.
8.
Now 4 of rice. Chex cereal. Are we just gonna throw in a bunch of types of Chex Mix?
We sure are.
That's 2, right? That's 1. Now we have, I guess, corn Chex. Did I try one?
Sure.
Good. How many cups?
4 cups of Chex.
4. Now 1.5 of peanuts,
Okay.
which I really like. And now pretzels.
How much pretzels?
1.5 again. Now we are going to put that sauce in our Chex Mix. How about you do it, Kerri?
This is where it helps to have an assistant, right?
Yep.
Now I think you stir, yeah?
Yep.
Now stir it up.
It smells good.
So what's in the sauce?
Celery salt and onion salt.
What kind of sauce did we put in the butter?
Soy sauce. And what was the last one?
Worcestershire. 8 words.
Worcestershire. I got it.
Tangy.
Cool. So when you put the sauce in, coat the Chex with the sauce, and then put in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, and every 15 minutes you have to stir it. It's just gonna be hard. Safety first.
Go around the side.
So now I'm mixing. It's the first 15 minutes stir. This is what it should turn out to look like. It'll be hot when it's fresh out of the oven. The Chex Mix, I bet it's gonna be so good. It's good. One thing that I want you all viewers to do, leave a like and subscribe.